Get rid of knee pain with this cinnamon pineapple smoothie. It nourishes joints and fights inflammation. Maintaining knee flexibility and full range of motion is important. The knees are responsible for proper body posture, and they support all movements of the legs while walking, jumping, running or standing. This cinnamon pineapple smoothie helps support knee function by providing anti-inflammatory properties, which help alleviate pain. It is also full of different vitamins, minerals and enzymes like magnesium, remoulane, silicon and vitamin C, which provide strength to our knees, as well as pain-relieving properties. Remoulane in pineapple helps treat swelling and inflammation, and is often used to reduce inflammation from tendinitis, sprains and strains, and arthritis. Cinnamon helps reduce swelling by acting against pro-inflammatory cytokines, and preventing exercise-induced muscle soreness. Almonds contain a healthy amount of protein, as well as minerals and vitamins like calcium, magnesium, zinc, vitamin E and immune-boosting alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which are all important healing factors in the treatment of arthritis and osteoarthritis. Aloe vera is another important ingredient, as it contains glucosamine, a natural compound found in cartilage. It can help treat stiff and sore joints, as well as arthritis pain. This smoothie makes an excellent breakfast, and is also wonderful post-workout as well. The plant-based protein can be anything from hemp protein to pea protein. I use Manitoba Harvest Hemp Pro 50 or 70, because it contains a complete amino acid profile, which is important when looking for a high-quality protein powder. Cinnamon pineapple smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups ripe pineapple, ½ teaspoon cinnamon, 2 tablespoon aloe vera, 1 serving plant-based protein. Serving size will vary depending on what type of protein you use. 1/4 cup almonds, preferably soaked and sprouted. 1 cup coconut milk, filtered water, or young coconut water. 1 inch fresh ginger root. ½ cup freshly squeezed orange juice. Method: add all ingredients together and blend at high speed. Serve and drink immediately. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.